Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending May 20th, 2018. The date that this occurred was on Tuesday the 15th. The stock was A for Allegiant Technologies. The strategy was based on a Tier 2 gap, even though it was not played until the afternoon. Entry was simple. Management was actually very simple. I'll explain what I mean in just a minute. And reward to risk 4.4 to 1. That's an average over 3 targets, of course. This is the daily chart of A, and this is the day that it happened. It gapped down that particular day. And I want you to notice, at least on this chart, that that height of the rally that actually happened going into the beginning of lunch came right into that daily minor resistance area. While I had this on my charts all day, I wasn't thrilled with it at the open or shortly after because the stock moved higher fairly quickly. It's hard to see that on the hourly chart, but it went pretty straight. And I wasn't really watching it. It wasn't until the afternoon where on the hourly chart you can see the area right in here, it began to form an intraday downtrend. Not on the hourly chart, it just rolled over there. But if we take that same area around 2 o'clock and look at it on the 5-minute chart, you can see what I was looking at. This is what I call a moment in time trade, and it's really the style that I consider myself to have. It's not guaranteed that it would go lower right there, but if it did go lower, that was the absolute perfect entry. And I was correct that it did go lower. The entry there was 63.41, stop 63.59, and it fairly quickly started to drop. I took a third cheap target. It wasn't that cheap because it was about 2 reward to risk at that level, because you can see back in the morning that was the morning low in that area, so I wanted to make sure in case it stayed sideways that I got a good target out of it still. And then it did continue to drop, 62.43 for target number 2, and then I knew that was close to the end and was getting close to close, so quickly trail stopped that last third to 62.32. Overall, the trade lasted less than 2 hours, and a very nice profit is based on a really good entry in this particular case. This trade, like all the other trades that you see in these Trade of the Week videos, are done in the DTS Trading Room. You can come join us for a trial in the DTS Trading Room, and also if you are curious but you're not able to be in the room enough to get a subscription, I did start the DTS Long-Term Trader letter about a month ago, and as one of the benefits of that, I decided to allow access to the DTS Trading Room, since most people who take that letter don't have access or the time to access the trading room full time. But if you have a day every week or a couple days a month, you can get the Long-Term Trader letter and have full membership rights to the trading room to join us whenever you can if you want to start learning to day trade, even though you may not have time to do it full time right now. Until next time, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies. Good trading, everybody.